Heck yes! Look what was look what's arrived. Look what is in here. Can you guess? Any guesses? Too late, too slow. Let's open the dog. Oh. Handlebar Mount Pro wireless waterproof charging kit, a case, and the vibration dampener. Let's go! Look at that. Alright, so if you haven't guessed, I'm obviously fitting the new quad lock handlebar mount charger and vibration dampener kit thing. At the moment I'm rocking this what's it called? I forgot. Anyway, I'm rocking this one with a charger, and it's just, you know, it's just not that great. Everything's hanging off and I don't know. Anyway, and it kind of sits up high, and I heard it can destroy your phone from the vibration, so I've got the dampener on this one. And the reason I hadn't upgraded yet was because I used to have all my cards in my old phone case, but now that phone crapped itself, so I got a new phone, and then the case is here, so I went with quad lock. You know, everything happened at once. So anyway, let's get into the installation, eh? I don't know how this is going to go. Hopefully I don't rage. All right, let's take some stuff off to make it a bit easier here for myself. Off goes the fanny pack, if you want to call it that. And then I'll get a little spanner for these blokes, take them off. Yeah. I'm a bit of a spanner, aren't I? All you want to do is probably undo this bit first, get out of the way. There we go. Now, got easy access to undo this. Take the seat off. Forgot about that. Need to get to the battery, don't I? Off you come. Don't lose the screw, otherwise you're screwed. Get it? Battery box comes off. Battery cover. This isn't the battery box. This is the cover for the box. This is the battery box. This is the battery cover box. This is something that covers the battery. It's a cover. Undo that. It simply pops off somehow. Okay, if I used my peanut brain, I'd see there's two little tabs, so I have to pull out and then up. Oh, there you go. That was easy, wasn't it? That was very easy. All right, that's exciting. Got a little strap that holds your battery in. Positive and negative, we'll undo those, and then should be able to slide the battery out. Okay, so my alarm kept going off like crazy. I was about to lose it. Anyway, I figured it out. I had to put the ignition on and keep the fob there or something like that. Anyway, the alarm doesn't go off now, so I don't know if that's how you meant to do it, but I put the ignition on, put the fob there, and then disconnected the negative, and we're good. So anyway, I'll get this battery out, and then I'll get the old wiring off, and then we'll do the install. Yep. Well, there goes the negative screw somewhere into the abyss of the wiring inside the bike. Oh, that's awesome. Yep, that's awesome. Yep. Yep. Oh, go on. Go on. What else? Seriously. Where's that gone? Oh, yeah, smash my head on the battery. That's lovely. That's lovely. Yep. Yeah, I've lost the other one of these, haven't I? This tiny little bolt. Anyway, I can see it. I just got to try and poke it out a bit. Are you dead set? Ah, it's oh, this is What are you doing, bro? I got it. So once you're at this stage, you got your battery out, you got your old mount off, everything's all nice and naked. You're good to go. I might get all this a clean up. You know, it's a bit filthy. Give that all a clean up anyway. You might want to clean your terminals, so that's all good just in case. You know, better safe than sorry. All right, and then we'll open up this other stuff and go from here. So let's open this up. As you can see here, we've got all the standard quad lock stuff, the mount, and then the different spaces for your different size bars. Then you've got the charger, and then you've got the dampener as well. And in here they give you a couple of zip ties, and then also the wiring to wire it in. So yeah, it looks like we're hard mounting this one because I didn't get the USB one. I just wanted it to be wireless charging and good to go. I don't have to worry about it. And it's all meant to be all waterproof, obviously, because it's just wired in. Oh, that's awesome. So one thing I've already noticed is they don't give you bullet connectors or crimps for the terminals for the positive and negative. So that all they do is give you this to wire up. So if you don't have the crimps or anything like that, the positive and negative terminals, lucky I used to love doing that stuff. So I've got a little kit here, and I've got my own crimps and stuff like that. But if you don't, you're gonna need to buy them. You need to buy them. It doesn't come with it. It's kind of stupid. They should, I don't know, maybe I read it all wrong, but I thought, you know, at least it would come with that. That's just a little connector for your positive and negative terminal. Anyway, it doesn't come with that. You have to buy it. Maybe that's why I know a lot of people go to just the USB setup, and it's all plug in, you can unplug it. Anyway, I just wanted it hardwired and I don't have to worry about it. Get your wire cut right in the middle, don't cut the wires, split it. It's meant to be kind of easy, but just kind of pull it apart a bit, a fair bit. There we go, that worked that time. Alright, because obviously you need to get from the left side to the right side of the battery. Get your little terminal crimp connector thingy. Obviously you want it to so you can just see the wire coming out, and just poke it back in that tiny bit. So there you go, you crimp that just like this. I think I did that a bit too hard. You should be able to pull on it as hard as you can. There you go, it's not coming out. There you go, bada bing bada boom. So we're gonna put the little quad lock on. We're gonna wire it down through here, follow these wires all the way up under the tank, down through underneath here into the back, and then into the battery box. Get out your quad lock mount, find the right size bar protector, what do you want to call it, spacer, bar protector. I'm guessing mine's the thinnest one because I've got thick bars on this. We'll put this around here like that, and then we're going to want to put this mount straight around here, around this protector. The screw straight through the mount, just like this. I'm keeping mine near the center because I like mine to be centered. Anyway, this part's pretty self-explanatory. Put it where you want on your bars, depending on what you've got. We can always adjust it later. So I think that's a pretty good spot. Won't tighten up fully yet, so I can move it. And you can also loosen this off, and you can swivel this as well. So it can be to the left, to the middle, wherever you like. Grab your dampener. I believe the dampener's next. You'll see the little grooves in here. They obviously match up to the ones on the dampener. So pretty simple. Put that on there like that, and you'll feel it kind of lock in. Tighten that up nice and tight, because you don't want that to come out. That's pretty good there. As you can see, that's the dampener. Next step is the charger. There we go. So obviously same deal. Sit it in. Start doing up the center screw. That's nice and tight. And then, as you can see, that works like that. And then we'll wire this through. So it looks like right now, currently. Obviously we can loosen that and twist it over here, up high. I kind of like mine up high, kind of bit closer to my eyesight, my eye line, so I don't have to look down so much. That's why I like the other one. So this is going to work perfect for me. All right, let's wire this through. As I said, pretty simple. You're going to want to follow it down. Follow these through here, up under your tank. Keep it off the main heat. Up here, you've got a little guard you can sit on top of. All the way through, up into the back here, and then we'll connect it to the battery. All right, okay. With great difficulty, that wiring job is done. And as you can see, it's this one here, come up, and I've got it through to this point. So that's cool bananas. That is cool bananas here, all the way up under there. You can't see, it's tucked in with these up under the tank, up through, and boom, there it is. Beautiful quad lock. All right, all you have to do now is put your battery in, connect the positive to the positive, the negative to the negative, and then connect your mains, and Bob's your uncle's nephew, sister's cousin, mate. That's it. That is it. I've put the battery in, I've connected the negative and the positive. The positive you have to connect first, and then slide this in, and then connect the negative. And then all we have to do now is connect the main positive and negative. And as you can see here already, because the battery's charged, the light's already on. I always find it hard to get the standard seat on. Just clear. What are you doing? Easy, mate, easy. It's a nice fitted standard seat, isn't it? Love the sound of beeping construction equipment for 2 years straight. I will say, it's a nice, thick, solid case. Hello, hello, how the bloody hell are you? Hello. Anyway, it's solid, and this is magnetic as well. So supposedly you go something like this. Oh, that's easy. Oh, it's charging. Did you see that? Let's do that again. It's exciting. Push it in. Wait. Oh, you push that down, twist it off. Okay, so that's how you use it. So, oof. So, like that. Boom, diagonal. What the? So you go. Okay. I got it first time. Can't do it again, can I? Alright, so you just got to go diagonal, champ, and then twist it. There you go. That's it. And to get it off, you push this down. So push down and then twist. Easy. Alright. This is the position I've got. Seems pretty good. There we go. It's charging. I think that's okay. It's not too bad. Doesn't stick out too far. You know, my eyesight's about, my eyes are literally here. Believe it or not. But that's still nice and high. It's all good. I don't want it to be too high either, but there you go. That's pretty much how you do it. Simple as that. That's it. Mate, that Harley alarm does my head in. Also, I'm pretty spewing. I don't know what I'm going to do yet. Tip for young players, get the USB one. Get the whole USB setup, the whole USB kit. Don't get the hardwired kit, which I've done because now I have constant power. So I have constant power drain from my battery, which makes no sense. I don't know why they would do that. In all the videos I watched, the charger has a button that you can click and it turns it off. But for some reason, this one with the hard wired, it has no button, and all the others have a button. Wouldn't you do that? I don't know, maybe I'm not maybe I'm not understanding how it works, but all of the videos I've seen, there's a button you can turn the power on and off on. So why wouldn't you have it with a hardwired one? And then you could, anyway, now I'm kind of screwed. Now I have to pretty much come back and install a switch another day, but that's okay. It's working for now. I don't imagine the power drain would be too much. I ride most days anyway, so I don't know. Anyway, I'll probably review it in a couple of weeks or something like that, or get around to it one day, but looks good, sits there nicely. I don't really know how that is some sort of vibration dampener. To me that looks like it's going to make the vibration worse. Anyway, everyone raves on about these, so we'll see how we go. All right, before everyone starts roasting me, before I got this, I was told there was a button behind the LED where you could turn the power on and off. So I was like, oh yeah, sweet, I'll connect straight to the battery. Noticed when I was done, there's no button there. Like every other one that I've seen online has the button. Anyway, triggered about that. So obviously now it's already connected to the battery full time. You could connect it to the ignition somewhere, but I've already done it. I'm leaving it. I then went online, read about someone's had it connected to theirs for 2 years, constant power, and their bike has never gone flat. So I'm leaving it how it is. Wish me luck. Let's hope I don't get stuck somewhere. Otherwise, I'm trying to clutch start a 300+ kilo motorcycle. Anyway, it is what it is. I don't know. Maybe miscommunication, maybe didn't read it right. Every video I've seen has that little button behind there. You can turn the power on and off. I don't know. She'll be right. She'll be right. That's just my luck though, isn't it? Just my luck. I hope I covered everything in this video. If you enjoyed, like, subscribe, leave a comment. Really helps me out. If not, I'll just go f myself. But no, I'm joking. But yeah, anyway. Looks good. Here's the Harley. Bloody beautiful. It looks a lot cleaner. Everything's all black. But I don't know. I really hope I don't have issues with this power drain. I don't really understand. I don't really understand why they did that. Unless I've read something wrong, but all the ones I've seen have a little button on the back you can turn the power off. Oh well, that's just my luck, isn't it? I always order the wrong thing or do something wrong. Anyway, it's a bit of fun. That's how you install it. Nice and simple. But get the other one. The other one looks like you can all plug it in and USB and all this stuff. It looks a lot easier. So get the other version. It's a USB 12 volt version or something like that. Anyway, it is what it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. And yeah, I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.